This morning, we're getting new details on the damage left behind by those tornadoes that tore through North Texas this past weekend. Sharing some video just outside Weatherford, where families are still picking up the pieces. Our meteorologist Mariel Ruiz is here with an update on where those tornadoes touched down and just how many were confirmed. And when you look at the map behind you, that is some widespread severe weather.
Several counties spanning these really tornado reports from Saturday, Mark, and the National Weather Service was out and they were surveying these areas. So what they do is they look at damage and then they look at radar, and side by side they'll then determine wind speeds and give these tornadoes a rating. Now, 9 confirmed tornadoes so far, but there are some that they're still working on trying to figure out, and I'm expecting this number to go up, but I do think it's going to take a few days just because like Mark mentioned, it spans several counties. In Jack County, there were 3 confirmed tornadoes, 2 of them an EF0 with 80-mile-per-hour wind speeds, 1 that was an EF1 tornado with 90-mile-per-hour wind speeds. In Erath County, 1 EF1 of 110-mile-per-hour wind speeds. Parker County, we just showed you video out of Weatherford, and just outside of Weatherford, that's where there were 4 confirmed tornadoes. 1 was an EF0 with 65-mile-per-hour wind speeds. 2 of them were EF1s with 110-mile-per-hour wind speeds, and there is 1 that was confirmed a tornado, but the wind speed has yet to be determined, so the rating on that is to be determined. But like I mentioned, these were really taking over several counties, and this is a wide area, so the National Weather Service is still conducting some final surveys. I'm expecting this number to go up to at least 10, maybe even a couple more than that here by the time we make it into the middle part of the week. Now, we do have additional storms this week. Greg has that timeline for you in just a bit.